everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your OpenTable account. Watch the video till the end. To delete your OpenTable account, firstly open your OpenTable application. The home page of OpenTable will appear on the screen. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and then click on Account Settings. On the next page, tap on Help and Support. Click on Still Need a Help option. Among the list of options, click on I need help with my account. You will get a list of reply with options on what kind of help you require. Tap on I need to delete my account. Choose if you want a copy of your data or not and select whether you're using OpenTable on iOS app or mobile device, then tap on Delete my account. On the next page, enter a subject, description name, email address, country and tap on Submit. Your request will be submitted. This is how you can delete your OpenTable account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.